Welcome, it's Simon at the video of the day. I don't know if I will have public members that will show up. Usually when I try to do a video of the day, I have more and more public arriving. Like Dominique Michel said in Quebec, Canada, it's the greatest business on earth, show business. So the public is always nice. So, but what can I say? So I don't know what to do because when I was young, a child, I wanted to sing like René Simard, moi l'oiseau, la lune claire, ta 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 ta, le jardin l'hiver. Puis make a recording, but I was like 6, 7, 8 years old. After, my parents never encouraged me to do show business, and because you cannot make a living with it. After, I did my studies in business administration. I worked a few years full time, etc. But in Quebec, the province of Quebec in Canada, it's very difficult to do a musical a long time or a theater play. There's more and more movies in French in Canada, but they are financed by the Canadian government. So most of them are the Quebec government. So the possibilities were very slim in the province of Quebec and Canada to do any kind of show business. Here, if I write a book, I can write a book on a typewriter, I can sing a song, I can do a theater play, I can do a musical, I can do a singing contest, a talent contest, I can make a duet, but in fact, you cannot bring down people who are up in the sky like a star. Puis after, what do? You have to have a manager, you have to have your own career, you have to sell tickets, you have to rent theaters. Where do you start? What do you do? Puis after, there's the human trafficking issue, people who want to own you, puis after have sexual, So when you have your 2 feet on the ground, there's not a lot of possibilities to earn a living with art, show business, or things like that. So when you remember that, you don't go jealous, you don't go envious, puis everybody has a chance to do something free online. May the best win, that's all. But it's important to keep the 2 feet on the ground. Puis not to be jealous or envious or too aggressive or to kill the career of others, because it's very rare that you have your own talk show on TV. It's very rare you have your sitcom. It's very rare that you have your blockbuster movie. Tom Cruise did a lot of movies, but it's one in thousands. So when you keep your 2 feet on the ground, you know the real true possibilities to earn a living with show business, you have to have another career, another possibility. Puis the choice I made so far is for my online activities to be a hobby. So when it's a hobby, you pay your own expenses if you have any, it's easier to do whatever you want to do. Dancing, I could do my own choreography, I could sing a song that I wrote, I could do a theater play with the lines and the text, I could do a movie part. But it's not realistic to go and fight and kill the career of others, to make a full-time job, a year-long full-time job, puis a lifetime career. A part in a movie depends on your look, on your attitude, your personality. Puis those who do the casting, they change at the last minute or they hire at the last minute. So if the spirit of competition continues, it's going to kill, if it's not already done, Hollywood or any kind of artistic production. When you have another revenues you can rely on, it's easier to do projects that interest you. So it's impossible to have a musical per year, a movie, plus writing a book, plus singing a song, plus making a duet, plus having a singing contest, a talent contest, puis plus, the same year, after the year after. Then you kill everybody else for them that you have the same. So I don't know what to do exactly. I have fun doing sketches, comedy sketch, but I cannot be on Saturday Night Live every week for thousands of years. apart Saturday Night Live, is there another possibility to do sketch on TV? Sport is very interesting, the career of sport players too, but what I like to do is sketches since I'm a child, but I'm very grateful and thankful that YouTube or other networks give me an opportunity to have fun. So even if nobody watch it, I have fun doing it. But it's gonna be saner and easier for everybody. First, if they start project, they write stories. And second, if everybody, the public always get tired of people. Alors, at a point, you have to take a distance, you have to stay quiet. Puis when the public is tired of a person, it's normal. Puis they want a new face, they want a new project. Alors, why insist in putting us... it's not the same thing on YouTube, for example. People watch you or they don't watch you. Puis if they're not interested, they don't type your name on YouTube. But I would like to do a talk show, in New York City or Los Angeles, like a French talk show, I would have a lot of fun, but will the public like it? The sponsor give money? Puis how many... the Judy Garland show lasted only 1 year. Puis when you don't pay your own expenses, puis you ask everybody else to pay your expenses for a show, a musical, a TV show, a movie, when others pay your expenses, what can you do? If you don't pay, you don't decide a lot of things. So I don't know what to do. If I work at Facebook with an MBA, $400,000 a year, manager, director. If I work at Google, I prefer Facebook, or I prefer Google to Facebook. After it's with an MBA, at least $130,000 a year. Alors, I guess they would prefer to hire their friends than small. The poor homeless who do street consulting. Alors, is it realistic in Silicon Valley, $400,000 per year? When everything is invented, everything is done, puis everything functions already, puis there's nothing much more we can do unless to be very creative. But ideas are cheap. I was told ideas are cheap. Alors everybody, I see regularly the influence I had over the years. Ideas are cheap. Some they pay themselves a lot of dollars for their ideas. So I really don't know what to do. That was the video of the day.